Hello there. Let's look at how to sync videos with voiceovers in just 3 steps. First, go to Murf.ai, open a project and upload your video. You can upload your video while creating a new project, or do it later using the Upload Video option under Video Images tab in the top menu. Now, press Quick Render under Build Video Options to generate a preview for your video. Next step, generate voiceover from text. Type out your script or copy-paste in multiple text blocks and generate voice. Remember to break down the text into 1 or 2 sentences per block. Now, last step is to adjust the timing of your voiceover. There can be 2 scenarios. First, let's say my voiceover is shorter than my video, like the example here, so I need to include pauses. I can do that either by adding pauses from the top menu, like this, or simply by increasing the size of a voice block from the bottom timeline, like this. But what if my video is shorter than my voiceover? In this scenario, you may want to speed up the pace of narration for your voice from the top menu, like this. Once you are done with the changes, press Build Video, and then Quick Render again, to check if the timing looks all right. Repeat the process to make as many changes as you need, until you get perfect timing. Hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial.